Today we will be making fishbowl slime. Alright, the ingredients we'll be needing are Elmer's clear glue. Food coloring is optional. I have purple. Baking soda, contact solution or saline solution, fishbowl beads, a container or bowl, and a spoon. So let's get started. The first step is to pour some of your Elmer's clear glue into your bowl or container. That's a good amount, I think. That's about ½ an inch full of my container. The next step is to add a ½ teaspoon of your baking soda. There we go. Close this up. And the next step is to mix it. I recommend mixing a little bit slower because it will make your slime a little bit more clear. And there we go. The next step is to add your food coloring. Or if you're not adding your food coloring, that's okay. You can skip this step. I'm going to add a few drops at a time. I think that's good for now. I kind of want it to be a magenta-ish color. I'll add about 1 or 2 more drops. 1, 2, 3. That's enough of my food coloring. And now I'm just going to finish mixing it all in. Here's a close-up of it. And the next step is to add some saline. So let's go and add a little bit. You don't want to add too big of a squirt or else your slime might become too hard too fast. And I forgot to tell you this. You might want to make it a little bit sticky for the beads to stick into it. All right, let's add a little bit more. That's good. And once the slime starts coming off the sides of your bowl or container, you can start going in with your hands. I think I just need like 1 or 2 more squirts till I can go in with my hands. And this is super fun to play with, and it will last you about 3 or 4 months if you don't play with it like every day. Mine is starting to come off the sides. You can see that because when I press my spoon on it, it comes off. So I'm just going to go in with my hands. But actually, I have a bracelet and I don't want slime on it, so I'm going to take it off. And now I will go in with one of my hands. I don't really want to get my other hand dirty because I still need it to put more saline if I need it. You can also use eye drops, but it has to say sodium borate or bufferant solution somewhere on the bottle, like here. I'm going to add a little bit more, and I think that is good enough, but I might need to add a little bit more because I still want it a tiny bit sticky. It's a really pretty pinky magenta color. I'll add a little bit more, but I think that's it. And then I'll add my beads. I think I'll go in with both of my hands now. I'll move my bowl to the side and just keep kneading it. my slime is all made, and it's still a little bit sticky, and that's what I want. So the next step is to like make kind of a plate or like bowl thing, and then grab your fishbowl beads. I'll move that to the side. And grab a handful or so and put it right in the middle. I'll put 2 handfuls because my handfuls aren't very big. I think that's good enough for now. I might want to move that over. I don't want to tip it and spill it all. Oh, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure to turn on your notifications to become part of my Fun with Lacey channel. I'm going to add a little bit more, and I think that's good enough. So I'll just put the lid back on the container. And I think the slime will be really good at the end because it's super duper clicky, and it makes huge bubbles if you try to. And also, the beads add so much texture to it, so it feels so relaxing. Like on a summer day, you could just bring this outside, or if you're not going to swim at the pool, you could like just bring it to the pool, or like maybe one of your siblings is swimming and you're just playing with the slime. I could see you guys, but then it popped. Darn it. And what I said, it will last you a while, but if it gets like too sticky, you can add a little bit more of your activator. Just not baking soda, but you can also use a teaspoon of borax with 1 cup of warm water and mix those together. But you only want to add a teensy bit of that because it might get like really hard super fast if you add too much at a time, which is not a good thing really, unless you want hard slime that's just like in a ball, kind of like this the whole time. But if you want to make a slime swirl, all you do is you stretch it out, then fold it, stretch, fold, stretch, fold, stretch, fold, stretch, fold, and swirl. And then you can make a beautiful slime swirl just like that. And the cool thing about slime swirls is it might come with a bunch of bubbles. I love that. Bye guys, I hope you liked my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!